Hello everyone, welcome to BDiesel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit 4K videos or high resolution videos on Premiere Pro if you have a low spec laptop or PC. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. Here I have already opened Premiere Pro here, and here I have my high resolution video. That is a 4K video. I must show you. It is shot from Sony a6100 and it's a 4K video. I will import it to Premiere Pro here, and here you can see I have my video. If I will play it in the live render preview, you can see it is playing fine. But on some low spec PC, because I have a high spec PC, but on some low spec PCs the video will lag or hang. So I'm going to show you the way how you can edit those kind of videos on low specs PC. So simply I will search here for any video converter ultimate. I will drop the link in the description for the crack full software. I have already opened it here, and I will delete the previous videos, and now I will import my video into any video converter here. Here I have. Now make sure 2 to 3 things. The first thing is, make sure on the video file section you have selected customized MP4. The second thing is, make sure the video size is set to original. And the third thing is, make sure the quality is set to normal or low smaller file size. I keep it to normal. Now I will click on convert now. Okay, my video has been converted. I will go and simply right click here and click on open destination file location. It's been grayed out because I have already converted my video. If you will click it, this will open here, and here is my converted video. I will simply copy it and I will paste it in my video folder. As you can see, here is the original video and here is the converted one. Now import the converted one into Premiere Pro. And here you can see the quality of the video has been destroyed, but it will be easily played on any low spec PC. It will not lag and you can do your editing easily. After doing any editing, any sort of editing you are doing, after that I will delete this video for now, the original one. Like, see, I have put some cuts here. After doing any kind of editing, like I will short this video, I will trim down the start section and I will remove the between section and I will join these and I'll put it to start. Now as you can see, the quality has been destroyed, but after completion of editing you need to render it, but you need the original file, like you need the high resolution file. Now we will replace this video with our original one. For doing that, make sure one thing, that the length of the original video and the length of converted video must be same. As you can see, 1 minute and 55 seconds for converted video and 1 minute 55 seconds of original video. So these both are same. Now I will rename the converted video to anything, like I will rename it to TY, and I will rename it to the name that one was of converted video, that was C00.mp4. Now I have changed the names. Now I will go and open the Premiere Pro and it will locate the video like here. Now it is asking me to link the media as this file type is missing. I will simply cancel it and now I will show you. Okay, as you can see, the video, it is showing the media is offline. The video is not present in the folder. Just simply right click here and go down and find link media. Click on link media and simply click on locate, and I will locate this video. This is my original video. I will click OK and it will be replaced in few seconds. As you can see here, we have the original or 4K video that is not converted, that is originally shot by the camera. And after completion of editing, you just have to render it. To render it, simply press Ctrl+M and you can render it on the original. So this is the way how you can simply edit those videos which are lagging on your Premiere Pro by simply converting it. You can find the software of AVC and the link below. And to download the Premiere Pro, I have already explained it on my channel. You can see that. And that's all for today. Thank you very much, and I will meet you in the next.